A curious city cat always watches the world from its balcony. One day, the cat sees a mysterious bird on the edge of the balcony. Following the bird, the cat ventures into the city streets. The bird shows the cat hidden parts of the city. During this journey, the cat meets other street cats and various animals. The cat and bird find a mysterious object in an abandoned house. The object endows the cat with special powers. The cat starts using these powers to protect the city. The cat stops a group of villainous street dogs threatening the city. It becomes recognized as a hero among the animals.